I have a feeling that this review, is going to be out of this world. Fast Foodies, put on your spacesuit, put on your helmet. We're taking a rocket ship to outer space to try out the brand new Space Dunk Oreos with Cosmic Cream. Now, I have had some pretty interesting flavors of Oreos. I've tried some toffee flavored Oreos. I've tried the cotton candy flavored Oreos. I've even tried Peeps flavored Oreos. But I don't think any of those flavors can top Cosmic Cream flavored cream. I mean, this is literally from another planet, or rather, outer space. Same difference. And Oreo didn't stop there. Not only is this Cosmic Cream flavored, there's also popping candy. Yep. That is correct, Fast Foodie Nation. These Space Dunk Oreos come with what looks like 2 layers of Cosmic Cream and popping candy.
Oh, wow!
I gotta give it to Oreo. They're really taking it to another level. And not only that, they also did something fun with the actual packaging. As you can see right here, there's a little QR code. And if you scan it, I already did before this review, before the filming of this review, it turns your phone, your camera, into a little virtual reality, and it actually takes you into outer space. If you want to see what that looks like, then just stay tuned to the end of this review, and I'll play a few clips. I did a little screen recording. It's pretty cool. I had quite a bit of fun with it. I mean, this will be one of the most interesting flavors, one of the most interesting Oreo creations I think I've ever tried. Now, that being said, you know, Cosmic Cream, popping candy, virtual reality, QR codes, that's all cool, that's all great. But here on the Fast Foodies, there's something we care a little bit more about than all those bells and whistles. The taste. If these don't taste good, then all the other stuff, it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead, open up this package of Space Dunk Oreos and find out just what exactly Cosmic Cream tastes like. But wait, if you want to see more out of this world reviews, then guess what? All you gotta do, hit that subscribe button. All right, Fast Foodie Nation, I got my space helmet on. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, looks like we lost a few. Oh, I am getting already hit with kind of a cotton candy smell, to be honest. Actually, maybe it's like a vanilla. I don't know. We got the blue and the pink. There's Pop Rocks in there. I can feel it. I can hear it. Can't really taste it. But yeah, there is some popping action going on. In terms of Cosmic Cream, I think I was getting a little too excited. A little too ahead of myself. I'm pretty sure that this is just normal Oreo cream. Flavored or colored differently. I want to take a look at some of these galactic designs. Apparently there's 5 galactic designs. Let's see, we got a little space helmet there. Telescope. Another telescope. Oh! Shooting star. A 3. Let's see what else we got. Oh! A spaceship. And another star. So yeah, the packaging, super cool. I love the designs. The color of the cream is super cool. Love the popping candy. But flavor-wise, I do wish that Oreo did something interesting with the flavor. but it tastes like a normal Oreo. Honestly, if you took out the Pop Rocks and I didn't see the cream, I would have guessed that this is just a regular Oreo. So I'm not gonna rate these because you guys all know what an Oreo tastes like. So I'm sure you all have your ratings for an Oreo. Yeah, honestly, I'll just add a half a point to your rating of an Oreo. And that's what I'd give these, just because of the Pop Rocks. That is, if you like Pop Rocks. If you don't like Pop Rocks, then I'd probably subtract half a point from your rating of an Oreo. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And yeah, as I mentioned, if you want to see more reviews that are out of this world, hit that subscribe button. Whenever there's a new flavor of Oreo out, you better believe I will be reviewing it right here on the Fast Foodies. All right, I'm going to go back onto Earth. I got to get some work done. We'll catch ya in the next one. Oh yeah, make sure to stay tuned. After my little intro, I'll play those virtual reality clips. If you made it to the end of this video, then I'm sure that you want to become a fast foodie as well. So all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. And to see exclusive behind the scenes footage, then you can head on over to Instagram and follow the Fast Foodies at Fast Foodies Review.
Space perspective to Cookie Cadet. How's the view for you?